What if your lawn could feed you instead of just draining your water bill? Imagine stepping outside and harvesting dinner where once there was just grass. Welcome to Don't Do This Guide, the channel that challenges traditional gardening rules to help you create a more productive and sustainable space. If you're ready to rethink your garden, hit that subscribe button now so you don't miss our next guide. Chapter 1: Why Lawns Are Outdated. The American lawn consumes over 9 billion gallons of water daily. We spend countless hours mowing, watering, and fertilizing something that gives us nothing back. Traditional lawns require constant chemical inputs that harm soil health and local ecosystems. They're ecological deserts that support virtually no wildlife and contribute nothing to food security. It's time to question why we dedicate so much space, time, and resources to something so unproductive. Chapter 2: Benefits of Edible Landscapes. Edible landscapes provide fresh, organic food right outside your door. You'll save hundreds of dollars annually on grocery bills while eating the freshest possible produce. These spaces support pollinators and beneficial insects, creating healthier local ecosystems. Children learn where food comes from and develop a connection to nature and nutrition. Edible plants improve soil structure and fertility naturally, without chemical inputs. You'll enjoy year-round variety and the satisfaction of true self-sufficiency in your own backyard. Chapter 3: Ground Covers That Replace Grass. Wild strawberries create a sweet, low-maintenance carpet. Creeping thyme tolerates foot traffic and releases fragrant oils when stepped on. Mint varieties spread quickly and provide fresh herbs for cooking and tea. Clover fixes nitrogen in the soil while providing edible flowers and leaves. Purslane offers omega-3 rich leaves and thrives in poor soil conditions. These living carpets require no mowing, minimal watering, and provide continuous harvests. Most establish quickly and become more beautiful and productive with each passing season. Chapter 4: Shrubs and Small Fruit Bushes. Blueberry bushes create beautiful hedges while producing antioxidant-rich fruit. They offer spring flowers, summer fruit, and stunning fall foliage. Raspberry canes provide vertical interest and can create natural privacy screens. Currants and gooseberries thrive in partial shade where grass struggles. Elderberries grow quickly into substantial shrubs with flowers and berries for culinary use. Dwarf fruit trees provide structure and shade while producing full-sized fruit. Native options like service berries support local wildlife while feeding your family. These productive landscapes provide year-round beauty and seasonal harvests that traditional lawns simply cannot match. Chapter 5: Edible Perennials for Low Maintenance. Asparagus produces for decades once established. Each spring brings fresh spears without replanting or intensive care. Rhubarb creates bold architectural interest while providing tart stalks for cooking. Artichokes offer stunning flowers and gourmet vegetables in mild climates. Perennial herbs like rosemary, sage, and oregano provide year-round seasoning. Jerusalem artichokes grow tall with cheerful flowers and produce nutritious tubers underground. Walking onions multiply themselves, creating expanding patches of fresh scallions. These plants establish strong root systems and become more productive each year with minimal intervention. Chapter 6: Mixing Herbs and Vegetables into Your Yard. Integration creates beautiful, functional landscapes. Colorful vegetables like rainbow chard rival any ornamental plant for visual impact. Herb spirals maximize growing space while creating focal points in the landscape. Edible flowers like nasturtiums add color while providing peppery leaves and blooms. Formal vegetable patterns create structure and order in front yard spaces. Container groupings allow flexibility and can be moved to optimize growing conditions. Companion planting combines pest control, soil improvement, and aesthetic appeal. Thoughtful integration ensures your edible landscape looks intentional and beautiful throughout the growing season. Chapter 7: Designing a Beautiful Edible Front Yard. Start by analyzing your space and sun patterns. Create zones for different plant types based on maintenance needs and visual impact. Curved pathways create visual interest and invite exploration of your edible spaces. Layer plants by height to create depth and ensure all plants receive adequate light. Symmetrical designs create formal elegance while maintaining neighborhood appeal. Anchor your design with focal points like fruit trees or large herb bushes. Clean edges and defined borders maintain a polished, intentional appearance. The result is a landscape that's both beautiful and bountiful. Good design ensures year-round interest with seasonal succession of colors, textures, and harvests. Chapter 8: Water Savings and Eco-Friendly Impact. Edible landscapes use 50% less water than traditional lawns. Efficient irrigation systems deliver water exactly where plants need it. Mulching retains soil moisture and reduces watering needs by up to 70%. Rainwater harvesting provides free irrigation while reducing stormwater runoff. Diverse edible plants support declining pollinator populations better than monoculture lawns. Home composting reduces household waste while creating nutrient-rich soil amendments. Perennial root systems sequester more carbon than shallow-rooted grass. The cumulative impact includes reduced chemical runoff, lower carbon emissions, and enhanced biodiversity. When neighborhoods embrace edible landscaping, the collective environmental benefits multiply exponentially. Chapter 9. Challenges and how to overcome them. Homeowner associations may resist change. Professional designs and gradual implementation help gain approval and neighbor acceptance. Pest management requires integrated approaches combining beneficial insects and organic controls. Encouraging beneficial insects provides long-term, sustainable pest control. Seasonal gaps can be filled with cover crops or cold-hardy vegetables. Succession planting and season extension techniques maintain year-round productivity. Soil testing identifies deficiencies that can be corrected with organic amendments. The learning curve is manageable with abundant online resources and local gardening communities. Most challenges have proven solutions, and the rewards far outweigh the initial learning period. Chapter 10. Getting started with your own edible lawn. Begin with a simple sketch of your current space. Measure your space and note sun patterns, soil conditions, and existing features. Choose plants suited to your climate zone and family's eating preferences. Start small with one section, rather than attempting to convert everything at once. Prepare soil thoroughly with organic matter and appropriate amendments. Plant according to spacing requirements and seasonal timing for your area. Install efficient irrigation systems before plants become established. Mulch heavily to suppress weeds, retain moisture, and feed soil organisms. Be patient as your edible landscape establishes and begins producing abundant harvests. Soon you'll be enjoying fresh, homegrown food from what was once just grass. There you have it. A new way to look at that patch of green outside your door. It's not just about getting rid of grass. It's about creating an ecosystem that nourishes you, supports wildlife, and saves you time and resources in the long run. If this guide inspired you to rethink your lawn, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Don't Do This Guide for more tips on breaking the gardening rules. We'd love to hear your ideas for edible lawn alternatives, so drop them in the comments below.